Hope you guys are doing amazing. Today here I have the Neewer green screen. The main reason why people buy this, as you can see here, it comes in a very nice case here, and it's retractable, so you can carry this with you whenever you need it. You don't have to carry like a huge sheet with a green screen or anything like that. And this comes in 59.8 inches in width, and when it's all up, it goes up to 77.5 inches. So let's see how this works, and then we'll put it behind us and see how it looks. The case comes with a nice handle, which isn't gonna break off at any time, which seems robust here. And let's go ahead and open the case now. And it has these handles here, which you need to pull down. And there we go. So right now we have another handle here. It says lift here. So you don't want to like grab it in here and just lift it. You kind of just want to grab the handle here and just pull it up. And the cool thing is, when you pull it up, I will show after a bit, it will stay at the place where you want it. So let's just see on the other side so I can show you exactly how it looks like. So this is the behind of the projector. So this is what's making it stand up. So these will go up as you pull it up. And let's say I want it to stay right here, it stays right there. And to pull it down, you just pull it down, close the handle, and you're done. So that's pretty much it. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and put this behind us and see if there's like any wrinkles or anything like that when I pull it all the way up. Perfect, so I have the green screen behind me right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it up. So pretty much that's how easy it is to set it up. Just pull it up when you need it and push it down when you don't, and it's there for you. One thing when it comes to these green screens, lighting is key. Definitely I'm gonna fix my lighting because I can see some shadows here. And also there's a little bit of wrinkle going on. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to pull this way up just so it's nice and smooth here. So let me just pull it all the way up. So when it's pulled all the way up, the wrinkles kind of like a little bit go away, but there's still some of it here, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. As long as I have some good lighting, I'm not seeing too much shadow. So this is going to be perfect if you're going if you're streaming or if you want to create a project with a green screen. This is actually pretty good because it's very easy to set up. So here's a few cool things you can do when you have a green screen, especially if you have like Adobe Premiere or Davinci Resolve. Very easy to edit. You can have something like this. So definitely it's great if you don't have an environment which you don't want to film your videos. You can pretty much put anything you want in the back there. And you can also use it for streaming, which will look something like this. And yeah, pretty much it works very good actually. And the cool thing which I love about this one, it's easy to set up. You just push it down, pull it up, and it's all done. You don't really need, whenever you have those green sheets, you kind of even need to iron them just to make them flat. This kind of resolves that problem. So one other thing to keep in mind with these retractable green screens is they kind of tend to break if you like pull them too quickly, or if you're gonna just like, for example, bring it up to this low, then just let go of it because it will like collapse down. So I've seen some reviews where people mainly complain about these breaking, but this one I've been using it for a bit, haven't had any issues. But I've been careful pulling it up and then laying it down. So that's one kind of thing you want to keep in mind. Don't just as soon as it's like this low to let it go, because obviously it will kind of break. But so far this one hasn't had that problem, which is good. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions about this Neewer green screen, please leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer it. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.